This man crossed his legs and propped up his body with just his thumbs. It's trendy among netizens abroad to tackle the challenge of doing a day's worth of fitness movements from an anime, comprising 5 exercises, with the last being incredibly tough. The first is the clap push-up. Anyone with a fitness routine can probably pull it off as long as they have hands. The second is the one-handed push-up, which is twice as hard as regular push-ups, and achieving the standard as this guy does is quite difficult. The third is the no-leg rope climb, where one hand lets go of the rope while the other supports the entire body, and legs must remain straight while switching. Most people probably can't maintain this hovering leg extension for more than a few seconds. The fourth takes the challenge up a notch. Supporting the entire body horizontally with one hand is an extreme test of stability in the body and wrist, as well as balance of strength in the shoulders. Even the fitness enthusiast in the video took more than 5 minutes to accomplish this move. Many fitness influencers aim to replicate it, but few can do it perfectly. If you can manage it, you're exceptional. For most viewers watching this video, the 5th near impossible challenge has arrived. Cross the legs, push upwards, and suspend the entire body using only 2 thumbs. Yet, upon close examination, even the seasoned fitness enthusiast can't fully reproduce the thumb-only support seen in the animation, indicating the sheer difficulty of this move.